Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to add posts via WP-CLI command, and you can add as much post as you want. So let's jump into the command. So here I am at the root of my WordPress installation, and the command is WP post generate. Then count how many posts you want to add. I will add 5 as of now. And post title, so add your desired title. I will add this title, and if you don't pass post type, it will by default add in the post. So let's add and hit enter. So it says generating post and it is now 100%. Let's go to the backend and hit this link, and it has added this 5 posts. It adds some random numbers in incremental order. I don't know how, but yeah, it is adding some numbers with your title. So now let's add post for different post type. I have this custom post type called book, so I will add this to book post type. Make sure you add the slug of the your custom post type. So in my case, if I check this URL, my slug is book, so that's why I'm adding book. And let's add 100 and change the title. Let's say book title. And before generating the book, I will go into book, and let's see, there are 110 books right now. I will hit the enter. Now it start adding the book, and now I will refresh this. And as you can see, now it's 210, so 100 books are added now, and this is the title. This tool is useful for developer only. There is no way to add a description into this post, generated post. So title description will be blank, but there is a workaround which you find on their commands page. I will share the link of that in the description. So let me show you. So it's something like that, something like this. So we need to request a call to some API. This API gives a content. This is a simple lorem ipsum. So if we try to visit this API, it will give us some content over here. So this content will be added to all the generated post. So let me add a title so that we can differentiate. And I will add 10 post into the post. So it will do something like this. And if we try to refresh this, so as you can see, these are the posts added with content. So let's view this. As you can see, this is the content we are getting into this post. Let's see in the editor as well. As you can see, here is the content. So this is how you can add this generate post command. I don't find this command useful for the practical purpose, but for the development purpose it is very useful. So thanks for watching my video.